Now children, today let's start with chapter number 16, means of communication. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the communication. What is communication? This is the way in which we express our feeling, thoughts and idea with the different. Right? So the word communication means exchange of information between two people. In early days when writing was not known, men क्या करते थे अपने idea को exchange करते थे and feelings through body language. They started communicating through drawing called pictograph. Now, in some old caves and on roads, we can see pictograph. And gradually with the advent of language, men started corresponding with other using script. Communication has become very fast and easy. Communication क्या हो गया? अब बहुत fast भी हो गया, easy भी हो गया. Now we can use letters, computer. हम letters और computer का use करते हैं to send or receive message. पहले क्या होता था? Pigeons हो गए, blowing horn or using a mirror to reflect light या beating drum. They were the some means of sending message. So we have divided into different means of communication, personal and mass communication. Means of personal communication. जब आप एक या दो लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं. So letter, telegraph, telephone, fax, emails, they are the means of personal communication. Sending letter through post office is a popular and age-old system of communication. Post office क्या करता है? A post office sells postcard, inland letters, envelopes and stamps. And we post our letter in the post box in our neighborhood. Postman collect करता है letter को from the post box and takes them to the main post. And the letters are stamped and sorted out based on cities, states and countries. They are packed into different bags and they are sent to the different destinations by vans, trains, aeroplanes and even ships. Letter is at your town, we take to the post office, right? And area, and the letters are sorted out once again according to the area. Finally, the postman क्या करता है? Letter को deliver करता है right address पे to send a letter to a person in another country. We use aerograms. We send parcels, we send telegrams through post office. Short and urgent messages are sent through telegrams. We have this as postcard, letter, stamp, envelope. Now the telephone is the fastest means of communication. We use it to talk to our friends and relatives. Mobile phones, उससे भी हम communicate करते हैं. And we can also send SMS through mobile phone. There are mobile phones that have many features. They are called smart. जैसे उनको हम mini computers भी कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, we make and receive calls, send and receive messages, click photographs and record videos, listen to music, watch songs and movies, surf internet, read e-material, send receive email, और हम WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook और Instagram का भी use करते. Right? How the telephone was done? Early telephone ऐसा था and it was used for great grandparents. ये आपका Bell, Block, Rotary, dial phone है and अब फिर आपके cardless आए, फिर mobile phone आए, now smartphone. Now means of communication. When you have to communicate with a mass, large number of people at the same time. Like we have newspaper, radio and television. Television and radio broadcast news and entertaining program. What they provide? They provide news to a large number of people at the same time. It is more popular than radio because we can hear as well as we can see pictures on the television. Right? Radio and television both can broadcast live program. दोनों क्या कर सकते हैं? Live programs को broadcast कर सकते हैं. The newspaper is also a part of mass communication. It is also cheapest means of communication. What it gives us? It gives us news about all the important events and incidents. It also informs about vacancies, discoveries, sports. People give advertisement in the newspaper और वो क्या करते हैं? अपने product को sell करते हैं. Then we have satellites. Satellites, they are now used for long distance. इनको हम long distance communication के लिए use करते हैं. TV program that can be relayed live using satellite. There are many artificial satellites in space. Today, telecommunication in the world also depends on satellite. किस पे depend करता है? Satellite. Then we have computers. So nowadays, computers are also used as a means of communication. Internet, we get any kind of information instantly. Through emails, we can instantly send message any. आप कहीं भी किसी भी जगह message share कर सकते. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Right? Now we will start the exercise. Pick the correct option. It is the means of mass communication, that is television. The fastest means of communication is telephone, which is the cheapest means of communication, that is newspapers. Sassa. Why do we, what to do with need to write a letter? हमें address pin code all of these. So it is used to send urgent and important message, that is speed post. Right? Now यहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट इमेजेस दिए है, यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. This is your letters, telegram, fax, newspaper, this is telephone, this is mobile phone, this is fax machine, this is postcard. Now fill in the blanks. The dash is used to send an event, so computer. The dash is both audio visual, that is television. In older days, dash were used to send messages. The dash who delivers letters to the address, that is postman. We can instantly talk to others through the किससे हम बात कर सकते हैं telephone. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is communication means exchange of information between people. It's true. Next is telephone is the fastest means of communication. It's true. Newspaper is the cheapest. It's true. Computer is also used as a means of communication. It's true. The newspaper is used for long distance communication. False. Right? Now match the following. Fastest means of communication, that is telephone. Short message service, SMS. Short and urgent message, telegram. Send parcel, courier services, courier service, telecommunication set. Now answer the following question. What do you mean? Why do we need means of communication? To what? To express our thoughts, feelings and ideas were different. How many types of communication are there? Two. Personal and mass communication. आपको mass communication को describe करना है. Mass communication, we communicate with the large number of peoples while using like newspaper, television, radio. Why are newspaper useful? And name some of the common and modern means of communication, right? Like smartphones, computer, email, these are the modern means of communication, right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.